Okay guys, this is a very impromptu video. This is a Crofton stainless steel hydration bottle, and it is supposed to be like a Yeti cup. Now you guys know, I'll try to remember, I did a review on Ozark Trail, and I love it. I think it's Ozark Trail, yeah, from Walmart. This is supposed to be something, they don't put much on the back of it. This is what the tag looks like that's on it. Bpa Free Lid and hand wash only. It's 19.3 ounces double wall construction for superior hot and cold retention. It is $7.09, and I just put this in here. It's $7.09, and what I'm going to do is put water in it and see how this lasts. Actually, I'm going to put ice in it, and I'm gonna put some more ice. I think I'm gonna put more ice. Hold on. So that's how much ice I'm gonna put in it, and then I'm gonna put, should I just leave it like this and see how long the ice lasts? I'm gonna put a little bit of water, just a little bit, not too much, but enough where you can see it come up right there. So I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this, and in 12 hours, which is 7 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna see what it looks like, how the ice and everything looks inside of here. So I'm gonna put the top on it, and we shall see how good this is. This was $8.99 at Aldi's. They have lots of colors. I got the white one, and I like it because it does go in my gym bag and go in stuff really easily. So we're gonna see in 12 hours how long this stays cold and how much is in it in 12 hours. I might do it earlier than that. I know I got to do early morning inspiration, so I might do it anywhere between 5:30 and 7. I'm gonna come back to it, but I'll let you know the hours when I come back. So we're gonna put the top on it, and hold on, I rinsed the inside but forgot to rinse the top, so I want to rinse the top. Let's put the top on. I'm gonna take 1 or 2 cubes out. So in order for it to close, I had to take 2 cubes out. So it's a nice little bit of water and ice. So now let's get the top on. All right, so I'll be back within 10 to 12 hours to see how well this thing works for $8.99. All right, I was really tempted to open this up and drink this. What I did. So I'm gonna show you what time it is and take you into a brighter light. So we're gonna take this and go see what it looks like on the inside. Let's go see. All right, you know I love you guys because it is 5:11 a.m. literally. So let's see. I'm gonna try to do this. Hold on, I don't have my tripod. Let me get my tripod. Okay, so we want to open this up. It feels heavy. Wow. Wow. Now, if you're new to my channel, I just want you to know that my channel is all about saving you money, and it's all about sharing things that I know can be a benefit to you, to your family, and help you stress less and worry. So if I share things, or sometimes I do hauls, I like to share with you guys updates, because that's what means so much more. The update on how it worked. How was it for me? That little yellow thing was irritating me. But yeah, so this thing it's amazing. It's amazing. And what I will do too is I'm probably gonna leave it. Now that was 7, so technically it was 10 hours, right? That is great. So if I didn't open this or do anything with this, this is what I would have inside there. So I'm going to leave it another, let's just say I have some things I need to go do, and that's about 9 or 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So I'll probably return home about 3, 4, 5, somewhere around in there. Anywhere between 2 and 4. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put the top on and see how that works, and how much water, how much ice. This is $8.99. Now I can't remember off the top of my head because I had the Ozark thermos like this for several years, and I blessed one of my friends with it, so I can't remember. Now Rizzy has the 30, I think she has a 24 ounce. I think I had the 32 ounce, if I'm not mistaken. But I wanted to see, I can't remember if it was more pricier or if it was the same price for less ounces, because I think this was I know this was $8.99, but I'm like, is it a good bargain according to the Ozark Trail? So we're gonna close this back up and I'm gonna leave it, and we're gonna come back and see it. Actually, I'm gonna leave it right there. We're gonna come back and see it, and see what the ice is looking like in about between 6 and 8 more hours. So then we'll have a total of what? If it's 10, that'll be a total of like 18 hours. So we'll see. I'll be back. Guys, it is literally 24 hours later. Literally, okay? So I'm so stoked because I didn't plan on waiting 24 hours, but I did show you the in-between time. And so let's get this on a tripod and so I can show you how it looks. I literally haven't touched it. I just got back in town. I showered and did everything. And I said, I seen the bottle sitting in the corner. I said, I gotta do the review. So let's see what it looks like. So it's been 24 hours. And this is the Aldi's I forgot. Oh, I put you guys know what's in the beginning of the video because you guys are seeing this all together. I'm forgetting I don't have to remember all that. But anyways, let's get into it. All right. Wow. It is still ice in here. It is still ice in here. And let me taste it. Whoa. The water is really cold. This bad boy is no joke. The size, I feel it's like more for children. Excuse me. But yeah, this is a live review. Meaning not a live, but a actual review of this 24 hours, waiting 24 hours. I'm editing this and putting this all together. This cup is no joke. I told you someone told me about it. I'm like, are you serious? Because the Ozark Trail is the bomb. So I'll show you in one of the clips, you probably would have seen it already, what the Ozark Trail looks like, and the sizes and the pricing. Now this is way more expensive. I did go get some clips of that you would already have seen, and it was only $7 for the one I got my daughter, and I think 8 something for the one I had, which is bigger, and I think it's 32 ounces and hers is 24. This is an 18. So you can do the math. You can suggest, you can pick which one you suggest is better for you. And now you have a live review to go off of to decide which one is more economical, more feasible for you to grab. Some people don't have Aldi, some people do, some people don't have Walmart. So yeah, this is their cup. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the family and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators.